Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a write name the pictures. So let's start. Name the pictures. Write down date, page number 7979 and 80. First of all, what is this? This is a hat. Write down hat. Her, a, t, hat. Her at hat. Next, what is this? This is a van. V, a, v, a, n, van. V, n, van. Next, what is this? This is a mat. Mat. M, a, mat. M at mat. Jar. What is this? This is a jar. पिक्चर के सामने ही लिखेंगे. ज आ र जार. ज आर जार. What is this? This is a fan. Write down fan. F, a, n, fan. F, n, fan. Next, page number 8080. What is this? This is a cat. K, a, t, cat. K at cat. Next, what is this? This is a bat. B at bat. B, a, t, bat. B at bat. What is this? This is a cap. K, a, p, cap. K, ap, cap. Next, what is this? This is a rat. R, a, t, rat. R at rat. What is this? This is a bag. B, a, g, bag. B, ag, bag. So students, complete page number 7979 and 80. And then send me your work. Thank you for watching this video.